call me back. If your regular suppliers could not meet your urgent requirement, then you can use the call me back option in Businessplace.ae. This helps you to get immediate call or feedback from new potential suppliers. To start with, click on the link in the home page to go to the relevant page of energy products and energy services. Now you can select the desired supply location. In the next field, you need to enter the relevant keywords for the required products so that we can shortlist the most suitable categories based on your entry. That makes your selection simple. Select the appropriate categories from the list. And proceed to the title. Remember, this will be the subject of the emails which will be sent to the supplier on your behalf. Next field, give a detailed description of the requirement which forms the message body of the email. Once this is completed, you can select the suppliers from the populated list based on your entry criteria. You may either check all or check the suppliers as you desire. Now click Submit to finish the entry. Once completed, an auto-generated email will be sent to the suppliers in the same category on your behalf, which will really help you to get an immediate response directly from the suppliers. Thank you.